All right, now we are doing the wide grip pull-up. Now this is a great exercise for overall back development, regardless if your goal is weight loss or muscle gain. It helps to create that optical illusion of having a wide back and a thin waist. Now, a few things to take note of to make sure that you are doing this exercise as effectively as possible. Number one, you want to make sure that you have wide hand placement, right? This is a wide grip pull-up. So you want to have your hands a little outside of shoulder width while you're performing the movement. Number two, you want to make sure that you are minimizing momentum. You do not want to swing your legs back and forth to try to help get your chin over the bar and execute the movement, right? You want to start from a complete dead hang and come up, chin over the bar hitting the top of the chest. Number three, you want to make sure that you get a deep stretch on the muscle fibers, right? On your lats, on your back muscles. You're going to go all the way down, right? I don't want to see any half repetitions like I see in the gym. You want to get that deep, full stretch all the way down, extending the arms, and then coming all the way back up and repeating the movement. Now, an optional tip is to wear wrist straps. When you are performing this movement, the secondary muscles that are being worked are your forearms and your biceps. So to minimize the amount of contraction and the amount of work that you're putting on the forearms and your biceps, you can wear wrist straps to help prevent that contraction on the forearms and biceps and get it solely on the lats, on the back muscles. So this is what I personally do, and this is what I recommend, is using wrist straps while you're performing this movement, again, to focus the contraction specifically on the lats and minimize the contraction on the secondary muscle groups. That is how you effectively do a wide grip pull-up.